Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sweetie Shaha. As you have read the title already, that it's gonna be testing of a viral hacks. It's not gonna be for particular hack, but of many like fashion hack, photography hack, or hair hack. So let's get started without any further ado. So basically, the first hack is a fashion hack in which she took old t-shirt of her and start making cuts in the middle of the t-shirt, and next she just starts sewing it into one another around the whole t-shirt so that it's give a new look, and in this way she turns a old t-shirt into a new one. It gives fitting to a t-shirt and also looks like a belt. So let's see how it turns out for me. Instead of cutting the t-shirt directly from the middle, I just decided to fold the t-shirt into half. So that वो ज़्यादा convenient रहे because directly बीच में से cut करना was not at all convenient for me. Then मैंने वहाँ पे हाफ फोल्ड करके वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिकल टेप यूज़ की है जो मोस्टली घर में होती है. मैंने वो इलेक्ट्रिकल टेप यूज़ की है. देन उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ से कट्स लगाना शुरू किए हैं सो दैट वो बहुत ईजीली हो जाए विदाउट एनी डिफ़िकल्टी और कुछ रॉन्ग भी ना हो. So yeah guys, this is it. As you can see, it does look so good. So it absolutely worked for me and it actually looks so good. I would really have 10 out of 10. Yeah, it looks so good. Also it makes tight. I mean, it's make the t-shirt tight, and also it's look like a belt. Loving this hack a lot, and as you can guys try it out, it looks so good. So yeah, now let's get to the another hack. So yeah guys, second one is a photography hack in which she took her poly bag and put her phone into that poly bag and took some marker and scratch that marker on this poly bag. जहाँ पे वो कैमरा आता है उस poly bag पे, वहाँ पर वो scratch कर दी है जिससे वो एक new effect create करती है. And it's given new shade and a different look to the photo. So let's see how it goes for me. As you can see from the photo, I don't know what to say, it's just a complete fail for me. I would rate it like 0 because it really doesn't turn out good for me, as you can already see from the photo. Also, if it turns out good for you, let me know in the comment section below or tag me on my Instagram. I would love seeing it actually worked for you. Okay, now let's go to another hack. Another one is a hair hack in which she uses a spoon, not spoon, a fold. She uses a fold to curl her hairs with the help of a straightener too. But my hairs are already curled. Actually, it's not a curl, not even straight. So let's see how it was on my hairs. Yeah. So guys, this is how it turns out. वैसे जैसे उन्होंने दिखाया था वैसे ही है, so it's actually working. So I would rate it like 8 or 9. Yeah. वैसे मैंने एक मार्क एक रेट इसलिए हटाया है बिकॉज थोड़ा अनकन्वीनियंट है, बट स्टिल ओके. सो या, let's get to the another hack. So yeah guys, here's another photography hack in which you just uses two things, that is CD or DVD, this, and flashlight, just to create a very different photo. And I'm quite excited for this hack, so let's see how it turns out for me. So yeah guys, as you can see from the photo already, it turns out really awesome for me. That's me and my sister. I would give this like 10 out of 10 because it turns out really pretty cool. So that's it. Now let's go to the another hack. Here's a hair hack in which her thermo protector gets over and she thinks of an alternative. तो टू मेक दिस वो फ्लैक्सीड यूज़ करती है, जिसे हम अलसी कहते हैं हिंदी में. उसे वो बॉईल करती है फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, जिससे वो एक स्टिकी सब्सटेंस बन जाता है एंड वो उसको जस्ट फिल्टर कर लेती है एंड जो भी सब्सटेंस उसको मिलता है वो एज ए टर्मो प्रोटेक्टर काम करता है. सो लेट्स सी डज इट वर्क्स फॉर मी. सो यार ज़्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ा है. दिस इज़ वॉट आई गॉट. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू बॉयल इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. मैंने पहले थोड़ा कम बॉयल किया था इसलिए वो बराबर नहीं हुआ, बट नाउ इट्स ओके. सो यार लेट्स ट्राई. So yeah guys, it actually works, as you can see. So basically the thermo protector is a heat protection spray that actually protects our hair from the heating tool that we use, like straightener or the curler we use. So it protects the heat that is coming from it, actually protects our hair. So this is the spray that we made from the flaxseed. So guys, it actually works and I'm loving this hack a lot. So I would rate it like 10 out of 10 because it actually worked for me. So yeah guys, this is for today. These were the hacks. As you have seen, one hack doesn't work for me at all, but others it actually works. So you guys should also try this hack and let me know if it works for you too. Also let me know in the comment section below if you want a part 2 of this video or any of the hacks, like viral hacks. I'm definitely going to try it for you guys. So subscribe to my channel right now and press the bell icon just in the case you haven't. This was, I guess, entertaining video. So let me know if you guys liking it. Share it, like it. See you.